The old lady is still fussing with the extension cords. I'm so excited, I can't hide it. Sebastian, I don't think I've ever opened up to you like this before.
Yeah, I know what you want to say. Finally, Stubber, I'll mix my own stuff and stop running around.
This is one of my favorite formats where we cook. Let me explain to you what this is all about. We have 4 broths, 1.5 liters of broths, just like in a real Polish home, a proper amount of bouillon cubes. Water, soup vegetables, herbs, spices, and there's no meat.
Because this is veggie broth?
We'll use what we have instead of meat. Mine won't be fully vegetarian. It's fish, but I'm not sure if that counts as veggie.
It just depends on the kind of fish.
The soups are cooking. I'll add some Szczecin paprikash, start blending it, make it into a cream soup, and we'll eat it. And I can't stand it. This is a life hack. Instead of buying chips for parties, this is churros. That's right, we've got curacao, kind of like pedigree sticks, good for your teeth, but in a different form. Well, Cine Minis. In the cereal, it's nice and delicate, but this is like...
But the cereal is sweeter. These are more balanced.
I like them. We'll make a cream soup with churros and peppers. What will you use?
Shall I start with what he likes? Our friend Goli, he really likes kimchi. Since it's kimchi, that's, so to speak, Korean cuisine, so let's make Korean broth. All right. And the second one is Polish, a strongly seasonal Polish product, not always available. Rhubarb.
Let's go. I'm opening the paprikas.
I'm opening kimchi. Oh, smell it and go ahead. I want to try it.
But just a little.
Goli loves it.
But the soup will be awesome, but spicy, that's for sure.
Gralik.
Wow, it's warm, but smells like old preserves.
Because recently we had another confirmation of the theory that broth can take anything, right? Let's see if it can take paprikas.
It'll be like fish soup with rice, staba.
Essentially tomato soup with fish.
Yeah, you've got kimchi now here, Cuba, Roman, beautiful. How much?
And this has a lot of wheat and flour.
So I won't add much. And what? It's perfect for dessert and what? You can eat it raw?
But I don't know. I thawed it a bit so it wouldn't be hard.
Are you out of your mind? Like some half-baked strawberry, but you always take it from the soup. Staba. Hey, I forgot.
You're going full power. You have to be gentle, but you blended it for me, right? So why are you even cooking it?
I boiled these ingredients and we'll blend them, and you boiled yours.
No, because I use low power.
Then boil yours.
I wanted to blend it. It's already hot.
Careful, here we go, soup, churros, oh damn. But that one smells like fish staba. Is that enough, or should I still check the consistency?
You're making this one like concrete.
That's not enough.
No, give me that churro, pour it in.
Pour in the churros, and I'm off. It stinks. It really smells like old fish, but hey, nice smoky color.
He really didn't want to spill a drop of soup, but he's splashing water left and right.
All right, we've got it, Jesus country. Now it's your turn, Staba. This is going to be so good.
And this is like a carrot, as if I were Staba with a carrot now.
This will be delicious. She's awesome.
As if I were surfing.
All right, give it full power.
I'm too old for surfing.
No, really, I'm an idiot. Today, during the soup episode, I grabbed 2 forks and 2 knives.
The way you served them seemed natural, but it's not about age. I was just serving kimchi from the jar with a fork. But no, it's all good. Rabarbar is coming in. Listen.
Are we eating, or should we call Primoz? No.
Let's call him, because with the 3 of us, we can judge.
Primoz.
Listen, it smells like capochi here. Not like cabbage soup, more like some fish broth and some curry. Hey.
He guessed everything. High five. Just kidding. No, he didn't guess.
But it gave the impression that, okay.
We agreed to share one bowl, but I'm not saying what's in it.
It will be split in half.
Oh, damn, now I know what's in it.
Oh, damn. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, wow, what a surprise. What a surprise.
All right, this will sound weird, but I taste metal and mercury.
No, it's just the paprikash.
But I taste the can.
Liquid tastes different in your mouth. It mixes, soaks up saliva and the paprikash, but you feel it.
How spicy?
Well, it's very much like that.
We made broths only with vegetables, nothing spicy. You can taste some can, but here you really taste the paprikas.
Yeah, it's a typical tavern. If you like fish, you'll enjoy it. No, there's still potential here.
Something doesn't feel right to me, so I wouldn't buy it.
No way. 3.
4, 8.
8, 5.
For some goods.
Some cool ones.
Look, what a nice texture and color. He totally went for green, like that kind of mustard.
I forgot.
I don't know what it's called, life people, but interesting. What kind of sweet oriental soup is this?
I'll say it again. If the taste is unusual, I immediately think of Vietnamese.
It's such an Asian soup, kind of nasty, like some coconut milk.
But listen, this is the kind of soup, like you said, when you're in Panama, that's what you eat there. You sit in a white shirt, you're sweating, and you're the only one
who asks for a refill of even hotter soup.
Brilliant texture, it just slides, you like it.
It's the right consistency and tastes good.
I'll say this, you don't know, but I do. What I feared isn't happening, but if I tell you, you'll insist it is. Cigarette, cinnamon, right? But he doesn't force himself at all.
Like he should. Spicy like that, that's exactly what's in this soup. But at first it's the sweetness.
But hold me so you don't fall. Let me tell you what cinnamon is.
Cinnamon?
Just put it in his hand.
Cinnamon flavored like some cookies.
Then with milk.
But that,
But churros, just the regular ones, are fine.
no way.
Because I didn't want to hide my get out, my opinion. I don't like it, but that's it. That's what we're looking for, because we know that sausage with yellow cheese or a hot dog is okay, but the fact that there's salinas in the broth, and it blew our minds, because it didn't. Tastes more like an oriental dish than salinas broth.
So can we finally shout it out? Can we finally shout it out? Attention, Wobabin!
That's right, we've got it. Listen, this belongs in the second part of our book, which you already know since the ad either aired or didn't. Do this at home and don't think it's gonna have it in it. You didn't know it had Cine Minis? Don't assume this will be Salimonism with meat and vegetables. No, ladies, this will be mind-blowing.
Because the color stands out. Because now I'm looking here at another soup and it looks like someone squeezed out a rag.
Like store-bought mushroom soup with 2% mushrooms, but now I notice a hint of orange.
Here the color really pops against the minimalism.
But it's interesting.
But like a pear.
I just ate something else, Lemon. Try some. You've never had anything like this before.
You know what this tastes like? Like someone found grandma's jar from '98 in the basement. And she made some kind of mulberry compote in there.
From Quince?
From mulberry or something similar. They poured it in, I admit.
I haven't smoked, but it tastes so good I'm almost done.
What are you giving? I have no idea at all. Jesus, my...
Rhubarb.
Let's give a rating, because I can't wait.
Too sour?
Yes, it's my taste buds. Ready? 3, 4, 9.
But there's a difference here.
This is like eating sauerkraut soup.
But not from cabbage soup, no.
But wait, and on the other hand, fruit soup made with cherries, and somehow they met in the middle, in the pot.
I'm telling you, that's what I said. It smelled a bit like compote, not quite.
From the basement.
Oh, you.
Oh God. But good.
But here it's already sour, but such a brain.
Oh, this is that powerful acid, the one with a strong grip.
This is the acid that says it's grunny. This is interesting.
It's like a Vietnamese person made you cabbage soup. Oh, but you were going for spicy? This is from Vanson, in that restaurant where Arthur eats. This is cabbage soup from Vanson, yes.
From Vans. I only know the shoes.
That's what you're saying. This is the Vietnamese version of Polish sour soup. Yeah.
It even looks like it's mixed with sweet and sour sauce because of those red pieces. If Staba was putting it away, that's what he'd have. But because of the sourness...
Because it's a sharp sourness, not just heat.
It's good. I have to tell you, this is almost in my top 11. I really like soups.
And you, that kind of spiciness?
Well, overall, because of that 10, for me, it's delicious. And this is kimchi. This is kimchi from a jar, fermented, a piece. What Goli likes, that's for watching. Thanks for watching. Not even fermented.
Just spoiled.
Brilliant soup.
It shouldn't have turned out this way. I hoped it would work out.
If you want your neighbors to know you're eating soup, I recommend making kimchi in broth.
I'll tell you one more thing. This jar of kimchi has only 100 calories in total.
But it weighs 300 grams, right?
Because it's 3. Well, okay, I exaggerated. It's 120 because it's 400 grams. And now listen. We added it to the fat-free vegetable soup since there's no meat, only more vegetables, making it a healthy soup. Well, see, it's possible after all. Half a pack of Cheetos is probably a no.
Although every soup is really just broth with some vegetable additions, so actually this is going in the right direction.
2 huge cans of paprikas, because in that category you hit 1,000.
And here you hit 100.
I said at the beginning, it's an awesome episode. I love them for the surprises and super simple things. There's one more thing.
From the ready-made ones?
You blend ready-made ingredients, serve the soup, and guests are surprised because they've never seen soups like this.
And you can make broth, I don't even know, from an ordinary bouillon cube, just a regular one you have, chop up a couple of veggies.
Don't play the game. It won't work out for you.
Open a restaurant selling preserved foods and making jokes like that.
And their customer won't wait half an hour, just 10 minutes. Sir, here you go.
This is a bar. You prep the next broth. Someone walks in, and you serve 3 spoons of Oreo in the blender.
But let's be Polish. Let's make a soup and dumpling place. A soup and dumpling place. There will be dumplings and soups. Soup love.
It will be the best. A lossable episode. I can't wait. We need to record more. And you also need to make those things from the new pots. Remember our book? I hope it's already for sale, probably.
Or available for purchase.
Oh, we're giving it away. I don't know, but it's brilliant. Wababen is my top choice. It's very spicy, which isn't usually for me, but the amazing taste blows me away. Which one do you choose? Primoz?
Whoa, Jesus, I can't. These are 2 different worlds for me.
When you've rated 2 as wababeni,
But I'm not able to choose anything else.
you have soup first, then dessert?
These are 2 beautiful but opposite extremes.
Brilliant.
Roman,
You don't like soups, but turn off your camera and have a taste.
where's the cinnamon? Roman likes it, remember?
But this is a different cinnamon. It's not cinnamon anymore.
So give me a different one. It was brilliant.
Yum.